This video is dedicated for those people that literally hate Apple's ecosystem. This is my latest MacBook Air, and this is the older MacBook Pro that I had, and this is the iPhone 8 Plus. Now check out exactly what we can do on this ecosystem. If I'm watching something on my brand new MacBook Air, you can copy it right there and simply paste it into the older MacBook Pro that I have. And it's gonna take me right there to that link. Not only that, but I can do the same on my iPhone 8 Plus as well. Simply just paste it without having the need of sharing the link with the traditional ways of copying and pasting. And I can actually get that working on all of my platforms. Not only that, but notes, for instance, if I want to copy something from the new MacBook Air, I can paste it right there in the older MacBook Pro, as well as the iPhone right there. What do you think about that? I'm not saying Apple is better than PC. I'm just saying it works. It's an amazing ecosystem, and that's why some people appreciate that more. Peace.